This is the Ion Gut Support. I was recommended this by multiple practitioners to help stay regular. I've been taking this for over a month now, and I do notice it helps me stay regular, and I also give it to my child and my husband as well. I really appreciate that this is a liquid supplement, as I cannot swallow pills, and this way I can give it to my child as well. I use a little dropper and suck up however much and then dispense it through a dropper. As you can tell, the color, it's really fairly clear. It has a little bit of maybe a yellow tinge to it. It has no weird taste. You're not going to drink it and make a weird face after. It hardly has any taste at all. The no flavor really helps taking it multiple times a day and being able to give it to my child. If you're looking for some support, this could be an option for you.